Vishnu Chakravarti, in another place, he explains that Kushala means persons who are full of faith or very attached to and affectionate toward Krishna. Simply, they're simple and they're very spiritual advanced. In other words, Kushala is a faithful, affectionate person who is very attached to God or Krishna, like the Brajagopis. Therefore, when they say, Kurvantihi twayi ratim kushla sa'atman, they're actually describing themselves. Because the first line of verse 33, the first pada, it says, expert transcendentalists always direct their affection toward you because they recognize you as their true self. So the gopis are speaking what is called Parokshavad. In the 11th canto of Bhagavatam, Krishna says he likes very much when he's indicated or glorified in an indirect way. So they're saying, oh, experts in transcendentalists, kushala. But kushala also means those those that are very attached to you, like us. So Vishnu says it's us, kushala. We're not experts in expert transcendentalists, which is one meaning of the word kushala. We're actually, as he defines, the other meaning is we're faithful, affectionate persons who are completely attached to you. Because there's twayi ratim. So the external or outward meaning, which is not the Parokshavad, the external or outward meaning, what the gopis are saying, is kushala, expert transcendentalist, ratim, twayi ratim, they're very attached to you. But actually what they're saying is kushala, we who are very affectionate and full of faith in you, have rati for you, twayi rati.